In this video, I'll show you how to add internal notes to tickets without customer visibility, quickly and easily. This is a must-know feature for teams that need to track important information privately within a ticket, while making sure customers only see what they need to. Now, adding internal notes without customer visibility is super simple, but it can make a huge difference in your workflow. Whether you're collaborating with teammates or leaving reminders for yourself, this feature allows you to keep sensitive details private. Stick with me because I'll also show you how to do this in real time with a software I recommend. And at the end, I've got a special offer you won't want to miss. First, let's get right into it. To add internal notes in a ticket, you need to be in the right section of your software. Look for the Notes or Add Comment section within the ticket. This will usually be at the bottom or in the sidebar. Here's the key part. When you're typing your comment, you'll typically have an option to select whether this is a public or private note. Make sure you check or select the option that says something like internal note or private comment. By doing this, your note will be visible only to your team and not to the customer. This is critical when you need to communicate updates or additional context within your team without the customer seeing everything. Now, depending on the software you're using, you might also be able to tag specific team members within the note for better collaboration. That means your team gets notified without the customer having any clue about the conversation. In some software, you can even link internal notes to specific workflows or tasks within the ticket. This helps streamline your operations and keeps everyone in the loop. If you're not sure where to find this option, check your settings or help documentation of the software you're using. Most modern ticketing systems will have this feature, but it's not always obvious where it's located. Here's something to keep in mind. Be aware of what you're adding in internal notes. While you want to ensure that sensitive customer information is kept private, remember that internal notes are still part of the ticket and may be accessible by your team. So use them wisely and ensure you're not sharing anything too personal. If you're using a software that doesn't have a clear way to manage internal notes, it might be time to consider switching to one that does. Our software, recommended in the description below, makes this process smooth and easy. And as a viewer of my channel, you get an exclusive free trial to follow along. To wrap things up, here's your key takeaway. Adding internal notes to tickets without customer visibility is all about ensuring communication stays private while keeping your team informed. Always look for the internal or private option when adding notes. It's an efficient way to collaborate and keep everything streamlined. Quick revision. Select internal note or private comment. When adding your note, make sure it's not visible to the customer and use it wisely for better team collaboration. Remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the software we used here today. It's an offer you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.